Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview, May 19th, 2015 on a Tuesday. In our Forex trading week, what a great day we had yesterday. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, please come visit us at fxclearing.com for your trading solutions. Traders, great to be with you, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue sunny skies, hot white sandy beaches. Early in the morning. Absolutely beautiful. All right, traders, let me tell you a little bit about myself before we get started. I got some news and commentary and a bunch of charts to look at. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator for the Market Opening Preview series that we do every day before the London Open. Traders, I do this video during the Asia session. Traders, I started trading in the year of 2006 and 2008. I retired from a wonderful 27-year career as a firefighter paramedic out of the great state of Florida. Traders, in 2008, 9 days after I retired, I came to Thailand for a 3-month holiday to celebrate my career. Well, guess what? I'm still here, traders, and I'm loving it. Traders, I do trade the Forex markets every single trading day. I'm looking at fundamentals, technicals, charts, and looking for probabilities and opportunities to get into trades that will benefit me for the percentage for me to win the trade on my side of the table. And that's what it's all about. And yes, traders, I do lose trades. Trust me, I do lose trades. I do not win all the trades. Somebody tells you they win all their trades, run the other way quickly. All right, let's get over to the risk disclaimer. And Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, most importantly, is to please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system and methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, let's head on over to news and commentary as we take a peek here. Just let me get my stuff up and running here. All right, as far as the calendar goes today, we do have a full day of news events. In fact, in 1 minute, we have monetary policy minutes coming out of Australia. And in a couple of hours, we got inflation expectations, which is a high impact news event. Once we get into the London session, we have a lot of Great British Pound data, but only one that is high impact, and that's going to be CPI year on year. We have the German zoo economic sentiment out of the euro. And in the U.S., we do have building permits. So we do have quite a pretty busy day here as far as data coming out today. So please keep your economic calendars close to you and make sure you protect yourself in your trades if you take any. Traders, the indices after the New York closed yesterday, the U.S. 30 closed up 0.14%. The S&P 500 closed up 0.30%. And the NASDAQ closed up 0.60%, with the Russell 2000 closing up 1.25%. Let's take a look at what happened in the Eurozone. The DAX closed up 1.29%. The FTSE closed up 0.12%, and the CAC 40 closed up 0.37%, with the Euro stocks closing up 0.45%. Wow, markets are just booming, huh? Traders, let's take a look at Asia. Remember, these countries are currently trading. The Nikkei 225 at the current moment is up 0.61%. The S&P ASX 200 of Australia is barely in the red, at negative 0.09%, with the Shanghai barely in the positive at 0.05%, and the Hang Seng in the red at negative 0.24%, with the Kospi in the green at 0.17%. So that gives you our indices and our calendar for today. Quite a lot going on, quite a lot to look at. Commentary was trading was well yesterday. If you remember, traders, I said yesterday to watch for movements of these currency pairs about 90 minutes before the London Open. Well, I just happened to catch it in time. I was about 40 minutes before the London Open. I put my charts up. And traders, within 1 hour, I had made my daily bread for the day, and I was finished. once you meet what you want to get, once you look for a target of what you expect to get out of your trading day, and you meet it, turn your computer off or just put on a demo account and have fun and play around. But yes, it did happen yesterday. It started about a half hour before the London Open and continued for about another 45 minutes after the London Open. Then the market died down and then came back alive later in the day. Actually, it was the London Open. Traders, we're going to take a look at some 60-minute Forex charts. Remember that each candle on the chart is 1 hour. So as usual, we will start with the euro dollar. Here's the euro. The euro is bearish. So I know we've had some up days and people have sent me some emails and saying, William, I think we got to change the trend here. Well, if you look at the daily chart, we don't have a change of trend. It's at some levels that I'd be very cautious of. But look at yesterday. Just took an absolute dump to the downside. Came to the 200 exponential moving average. Didn't touch it. And now here we are today. And you can see the last candle was red. I would love to see this break this 200 exponential moving average because I'm going to tell you, traders, if we can get a trade below that 200 exponential moving average with a nice bearish engulfing candle, we have a nice wide open space. We only have one bump at about, it looks like about 1225. And, we have a really nice trade here. And we're looking to come down to 1.1148 is where we'd like to end up our day if we can get down that far. So this looks like a really nice trade, providing this doesn't bounce and continue to the upside. But the pair is bearish. All right, let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar is hugged the 200 exponential moving average basically for 24 hours and we're still here. Remember, I'm bearish in the Aussie dollar. Now, remember yesterday, there was no data. Remember I said the Aussie is a commodity pair that reacts to data very well. So today we have a full day of data coming out. And it's going to be interesting to watch the Aussie today. And I'm sure we're going to get some price action. And we'll just see how that goes. In fact, data is probably been released already on those monetary policy meeting minutes. So that's what I'm looking for. I'd like to see this continue to stay below the 200 exponential moving average. And we'll take this down to 0.7924 for our take profit zone. All right, let's take a look at the pound. The pound dollar, didn't do much yesterday. Came down and then just went sideways and stayed that way. However, with the 38.2 Fibonacci level, and this is a level we love to be at, and I'm just looking for a bullish candle. And let's take this up. Now, we're going to get a bump at the 50%. We're going to get a bump at the 618. So it's not going to be an easy ride to the upside. But remember, this pair is bullish, and we want to take this to the upside. If this closes below the 200 exponential moving average, well, we have a new trade plan, and we're going to have to just reanalyze what's going on. I don't see that happening before London Open. I think this is just going to remain in a sideways price action until we get to the London Open. But I would love to see a bullish candle and make my entry. All right, let's take a look at the Euro Aussie. The Euro Aussie had a down day yesterday. It is bullish, so I'm looking to take this to the upside. I'm just looking for that bullish candle. You can see we have three higher lows, and the last candle, when I took the screenshot, which is about 45 minutes ago, and it's early in the morning, Asia time. So we'd like to get an entry at 1.4169. Again, at that 618, if you take a look left to the chart, we're going to have some issues there, and it's possibly going to bounce there. And then once we get up to there, we'll hopefully get up to that 100% level, and that would be really nice. So we have plenty of pips to work with, no big issues here. I don't think it's going to go below the 200 exponential moving average, and I think it's going to continue to the upside. So we're bullish in the Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at the Euro Yen. And this pair is bullish. Yesterday we had a down day. Again, no data, so it is what it is. But this pair is bullish if you look at a daily chart. I put a trend line here. This is a valid trend line. This is a 3-touch trend line. And I'm looking for this to bounce off this trend line. I'd like to enter this about 136.04. I really want to get past that 136.00 level to make sure we're clear of it. Maybe I probably might even wait to 136.10 or 15 before I get into this trade. But we've got plenty of room to go. We want to take this up to 136.96. And we only have, we do have a couple of bumps in the road. Looking left of the chart, we have some what we call Forex junk, where we have some support areas and resistance areas that we're going to have to watch out for. So, but I think the euro yen can do it, especially with all the data that's coming out today. All right, let's take a look at the New Zealand dollar, which is bearish. Nice move yesterday, really nice. Right now we're sitting at support. Remember, we buy at support and we sell at resistance, so it wasn't very difficult to make a trade plan here. The trade plan basically is we're looking for a bullish candlestick formation and take that to the upside. Now you're probably saying, well, William, what happens when it breaks support and continues down? Well, that's fine. As long as it comes back and retests that support line, that is now resistance and we can sell it. If it goes down and does not give you a retest, my friends, do not chase price and just wait. It will come back and it will give you a nice retest. The New Zealand dollar is real good about giving you a pullback and a retest. It's most of the time, like the euro, will give you a second opportunity to get into the trade. And that wraps up our 6 currency pairs. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this Tuesday. Traders, I wish you a great day, and always remember to trade smart and not hard. And traders, we will catch you tomorrow before the London Open. Traders, have a great trading day coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, and we'll see you then. Take care now. Bye-bye.